Hello everybody, this is Itai Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to put manually and automatically with the plugin the alt tag on every image you have on WordPress. Okay, so first of all, just to understand why exactly do we need alt tags on the images is for accessibility. Google reads also your page and knows what tags actually you put on the image. Let's say title or also alt. And then he knows that this page talks about XYZ on the keywords. You can put your keywords on the alt tag also. That will improve your SEO. Of course, you will also appear on the Google Images search when people search for the exact keyword. If you have a good SEO on your website, you will also appear on the Google search for the image search. Now, how do you do that in WordPress? You go to media on the dashboard, and here you can edit the first image. Let's take for an example this image. You can edit the image right here, and you see you have alternative text. That is the alternative text. This kind of edit doesn't show you the title that you can edit. So let's go to here again, and look, you need to press on this display so you can see the image like that way. And then you can see also the title and the alternative text, description and caption. Now, let's say that this image is about wedding planners in Israel. So I put the same keyword here in the description, in the title and on the alternative text. I can also put it here, but I don't have to. These two tags only for using Elementor galleries. If you want to display those sentences, you can put here more words or keywords or even more description. Also on the caption. And then you will be able to show this description on the Elementor gallery, for an example. After you put here and here and here, whatever you want, with the keyword that I want to be indexed on the Google image search, and then you go, of course, all the way for every other image. Alternative text is supposed to explain what's on the image, because when the user go inside your website and your images are not loaded, so that shows the text, the alternative text, instead of the image. This is why it's important for accessibility and also for SEO. And Google gives you points for that, so use it wisely. Also, it's good for the accessibility tools. If the tool reading your website and you have alternative text, that's what it shows to the user. That's what it says to the user. It reads the alternative text instead of the image. After that, you can do it automatically. How do you do that? I don't recommend for this option because this is a generic way to put your alt the same way on every image, which doesn't always shows and explain what's on the image. So it doesn't give the good UI, user experience for the user. So anyway, the name of the plugin is Alt Manager. You search it here and add a new plugin. This is the plugin. You can install it right now. Activate the plugin and it sends me to the dashboard that I can edit and put some generic alt on every image. You allow and continue the connection between freenews.com and your website. Here on the dashboard, which is below settings on Alt Manager tab, you can see you generate only empty alt tags, and you can also edit and generate the title tags right here. So you can have those two options that you can put, for an example, on the home page, the page title on every image that doesn't have any tag, any alt tag. Also on the title you can put the same. Here on the pages, every page that has images without an alt tags, you can also add the page title to the alt tag. Same for the post titles and images on the posts. You can save and continue And then you just did that automatically, and it saves you a lot of time, but it's certainly not the best way to do that. So you can do it automatically or manually. I recommend do it manually. Good luck. So as you can see, it's very easy to put manually or even automatically the alt on every image on your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write down here on the comments below, and I will of course comment also as well. And on the first comment I will put the link for the full guide on my website.